Students, in this exercise 9.2, fourth question, draw the diagram. See, I am drawing only one diagram so that if you multiply with 2, we will get the areas of two figures. See the diagram from the textbook. This is the diagram. We have to find the area of this diagram. Another diagram is given. If you know this area, double it. Say, because two figures are same, multiply with 2, we will get the area of that total figure. I am taking only one diagram. Second one is similar. After getting this area, multiply with 2, we will get the total area. So students, all of you see this diagram, how to find its area. See here. This is, say, portion 1. This is 2. Say this is 3. Like this. 2 means this total I am taking at 2. Now, see here. This radii is 42. Radius is 42. Radius 42. See here. This is the center of the circle. So this radius is 42. Radius is 42. That means this is also 42. Radius is 42. See here. Don't write. First, let me write one important step. After that, you can proceed. See here. Don't write. See here. From adjacent figure, area of shaded region. So you name it as figure 1 and the second one as figure 2. Only one diagram I am taking because two figures are given. See the textbook. One more is given. I will draw that also. Don't look at the second figure because if you know the first figure area, double it. If you multiply with 2, we will get total figure. See here. find the area of this total shaded region. This is area of, say this is a semicircle 1. This is semicircle 1. This area we have to find. See here, don't write it. Area of semicircle 1 plus this area we have to find plus this total bigger semicircle. Total. See here. Up to here you see. This is over now. I wrote here. So don't look at here. Now see this. Only this part. This total is a semicircle. You find the area of this total. This part we can't find. We can find the total area. From that subtract this small portion. See here. Area of bigger semicircle minus area of semicircle 3. Or let us take it as only 2, that's all. 1, 2. I am naming this, I am not naming it. I am calling this as a bigger semicircle. Bigger semicircle. So this I wrote area of semicircle 1. This bigger semicircle total area minus this is not shaded now, we have to remove it. Subtract, remove it. See, if you find this area of bigger semicircle, you will get the total area. Total area we will get including this also. Total semicircle. But from that we have to remove this portion because this is not shaded, it is not included. So minus area of the semicircle 2. That is the step. Area of semicircle 1 plus area of bigger semicircle minus area of semicircle 2. What is the area of semicircle? Any semicircle formula is half pi r square. This is also half pi r square. This is also half pi r square. Area of semicircle formula half pi r square, half pi r square, half pi r square. But r are different, different r. Say this is say r1, this is r2, this is r3. Because radius is different, no? This is say this is r, then this is different radius, this total is different radius. So pi r square formula only, but instead of writing same r for all, so because we have 3 figures, 1, 2, 3, let us first radius as r1, second radius r2, third radius r3. Or you can write r also. See here. Half pi r. This important step if you see, then remaining part is only simplification. Concept will be over. First concept is to find the area of these two diagrams. I will find the area of this first diagram only and I will multiply with 2. After getting the answer, I will multiply with 2 to get the total both areas. So in this first figure, area of semicircle 1 plus area of bigger semicircle minus area of semicircle 2. Now this step is very important. Semicircle is half pi r square, that you know. Half pi r square, half pi r square, half pi r square. It is very simple. Pi means we can write the value. Pi is 22 by 7. Half pi is 22 by 7. But r is how much? This semicircle 1. See the semicircle 1. Radius is how much? This is total, means it is the diameter. See the semicircle, if the total means this is the diameter. Radius means only half. This is called radius, this total is called diameter. So radius is 42 by 2. Half of it. 21. Half of it, because this is 42. half will be 21. So I am writing directly 21. Diameter is 42, radius is half, 42 by 2, 21. Half is 21. Next, bigger semicircle, this total semicircle. Half, pi is 22 by 7. R is bigger semicircle, total semicircle, radius is 42. It is given. This total semicircle radius is already 42. This is not the total diameter, not given. This radius is already 42. So radius of this bigger semicircle is 42 minus half pi smaller semicircle. This 2, semicircle 2, half pi is 22 by 7. What is the radius of this smaller semicircle? Diameter is 42. Radius is half, 21. That's it. This is the step. For this semicircle, what is the radius? Diameter 42, radius is 21. For this semicircle also, diameter 42, radius is 21. For bigger semicircle, radius is 42. That's the last one, first one are same. See, this is minus, this is plus. Cancel. First one, last one same. Cancel it. 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 square means 42 into 42. You simplify it. Do the simplification and write the answer here. Simple. How we started? Don't look at the second diagram. I will explain about the second diagram. Whatever we get, if you multiply with 2, that is enough. So only first diagram. First diagram, I am taking it as 3 parts. This is one semicircle. This is another semicircle. This total is a big semicircle. Small semicircle, big semicircle. So what is the area of any semicircle? Half pi r square. Half pi r square. This is also half pi r square. This is also half pi r square. But instead of writing r, a radius as r, so I use this radius as r1. This is r2. This is r3. So that half pi is 22 by 7. r1, radius of which semicircle? Semicircle 1. Semicircle 1. Say here 1. What is the diameter? 42. Radius is half. 42 by 2, 21. This semicircle, diameter is 42. Radius is 42 by 2, 21. Minus. Middle one, bigger semicircle. Bigger semicircle, radius is 42, not 21. Radius is 42. Half pi r square. First one, second one, directly cancel. This is minus, this is plus. Only this will remain. Do the simplification and write down the answer. Write down. Students, do it. Following or not, you just tell me. Following or not? See, I am not writing these two in the next step because this is plus term, this is minus term, same terms, no? Same terms, plus, minus, cancel. Only this middle one remains. Seven six 42. 7 6 42. 2 3 22 into 42 into 3. 22 into 3 66. 22 3 66. 22 into 3. 3 2 6. 3 2 6. 22 into 3 66 into 42. So centimeter square. Centimeter square. 7 6 2 3 3 into 42 into 22. 3 into 22. 66 66 into 42. You simplify. 2772 centimeter square. Write down. Students, you draw this diagram also only for your explanation, and to draw the diagram in a bigger shape I have taken only one diagram because both are same, no? So both are same, that's why I took only one diagram. So you have to draw this also, both the diagrams, figure 2. This also you have to draw from the textbook. Then area of shaded region. Total. See here. 2 into, because both the diagrams are same, suppose if this area is 10, this is also 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. That means multiply this area with 2. If this area is 10, the total will be 2 into 10. So total 20. That means this area we calculated, we got this much. So multiply with 2, 2772. If you multiply with 2, we will get the area of both the shapes, total area. So see, for this also again we have to do the same, this plus this minus this, same way, but no need because both are exactly same diagrams. If you find this area which is 2772, double it. Double means multiply with 2. That is the total area, which is our answer. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14, 15, 2 2s are 5. This is the answer. I took only one first figure. I did not took second figure. First figure, after getting the area, I am multiplying with 2 to get the total, both figures. How I calculated the area of this smaller circle? Pi r square plus bigger circle, that is half pi r square, bigger circle half pi r square minus this smaller circle half pi r square. What is half pi r square? Area of semicircle. Because this is the semicircle, this total is a semicircle, this is also semicircle. Semicircle area is half pi r square. So this radius r1, this total radius r2, this radius r3. I denoted like this. So this radius r1 is not 42. 42 is the diameter. Radius is 42 by 2, 21. But for the bigger semicircle, radius is 42. For the smaller circle, semicircle, diameter is 42, radius is 21. This is minus, this is plus, both are equal. This and this get cancelled. This will be the remaining. After simplification, 2772 multiply with 2, 5544. Completed. Students, it is over. To write the fifth question. Fifth question. Yes, answer is over. 5544 centimeters square. That is the total answer. 5544. You draw this diagram as from the textbook. Fifth also same. Draw the fifth diagram. Draw big figure, big diagram. Don't draw small. Big diagram so that you can understand. See, to avoid the confusion, I am drawing only half figure, because if you find that area, the remaining area, double it, because both are same figures. This area we have to find. OA, O, B, D, but I am not looking at this figure. Let us look at that figure only that part. How to find the area of the shaded region? First I will take this above this line, this part. So I will find the area, then I will multiply with 2. Or in the last we multiplied with 2 in the previous problem. In the beginning itself we can write 2 and we can write remaining same. 2 is multiple like that, we can keep 2 as it is. Like that also we can do. See here. From the adjacent diagram, adjacent figure, area of required region. See here. What is the area of this required region? For explanation, I will take only this diagram, multiply with 2, we will get the total area. So we can directly write, instead of after getting the area, multiply with 2, after getting this area, multiply with 2, we will get the answer. Or in the beginning itself, we can write 2 into like that. That also we can. Total is covered here. Now, how to find the area of shaded region? So this area only we are finding, because I already kept 2, so that means double. So now this part we have taken. This is first part, it is a semicircle. Area of semicircle 1. This area we will get. What is this shape? See, I will explain this diagram separately. What is this diagram? Semicircle. Semicircle, and each is 14. 14, 14, 14, 14. This is 14. Suppose if I want radius of the semicircle, this total diameter is 14, radius will be 7. So this is a semicircle, so I can write the semicircle area as half pi r square. 2 into half is pi is 22 by 7, r is how much? 7. This part is over. This part is a semicircle. Radius area is half pi r square. R is diameter is 21. Radius is 7. So this is over. Next, this I separated drawn here, and this is a semicircle. This is perfectly a semicircle whose area is half pi r square. Now, what is the bigger one? This right side of this line, this bigger one. See here, I am drawing separately. This is over, no? So I am not drawing it. It is over. Now I am coming to the right side. Right side, first I will take this total figure. Total figure. What is this figure? First time we are getting a different figure. This is not a semicircle. Semicircle means it will be like this. Total. This total is a semicircle, but it is only this small part. It is not a full semicircle. Semicircle will be like this. Half semicircle. Semicircle itself is half of circle, but this is half of the semicircle. This is semicircle. This is half of the semicircle. Plus half of bigger semicircle. Suppose we call it as a bigger semicircle. This is the bigger semicircle. Suppose if it is extended here. So it will become a semicircle, but it is only this part, so it is half of the semicircle, total semicircle, half of the semicircle, half of bigger semicircle. This is a semicircle, this is perfectly a semicircle, see. This is a semicircle, but it is not shaded. From this total area, we have to subtract this, minus semicircle 2. Same like previous problem. In the previous problem, after getting the area, I multiplied with 2. But directly I am writing 2 here, so that in the last with no need of multiplying with 2. I am keeping 2 here. That is one difference. So this is semicircle 1, same like the previous problem, half pi r square. Minus, this is not shaded, no, we have to remove it. This is also a semicircle. Its area is half pi r square. But the confusion is, this is, in the previous case, this bigger was a semicircle, but this is not a semicircle, it is only half semicircle. That means total circle, it is a quarter, 1/4 part. So if you talk about the semicircle, it is half semicircle. Half semicircle. So area of the semicircle 1, area of this bigger semicircle, half of the bigger semicircle, because this is not a full semicircle, only half, minus semicircle 2, semicircle 2. Now, don't write. What is half of bigger semicircle area? Same, half pi r square. Bigger semicircle or smaller semicircle? Semicircle itself is half pi r square. Next also semicircle, half pi r square. So I will take this radius as r1, this radius as r2, this radius as r3. Half pi r square, half pi r square, half pi r square. But this only half is there, so that's why we got half, and this is the formula of. This is not full semicircle, only half semicircle. So therefore 1/2. So area of semicircle, area of half of bigger semicircle minus semicircle. You can mention area here, area. Now substituting the values, that's all. Just look at. What is the diameter? 14. Radius is how much? 7. Plus 2 to the 4, 22/7. What is the radius of this bigger semicircle? 14. Radius of bigger semicircle is 14. Smaller semicircle 7, 7. This is also 7, this is also 7. So bigger is 14 minus half, 22/7 into this smaller is 7. Half pi r square, half pi r square. So pi is 22/7, r is 7, 14/2, 7. This is also 7, but this middle one is a confusion. This is not a semicircle. It is a half semicircle. So half of half pi r square. Half of half pi r square. So 1, 2 to the 4. Pi is 22/7. Radius of bigger semicircle is 14. This is 14. That's all. Simplify. Seven square, 7 into 7. Do the simplification. You do your own. 14 into 14. Here also these two get cancelled. This and this cancel. No need of simplification. This first one, last one, this is plus, minus, cancel. Only middle one remains. 14 square is 14 into 14. Do the simplification and get the answer. That is, this is plus, this is minus, cancel. So semicircle half pi r square. Semicircle half pi r square. This radius is 7, this radius is 7. So 7, 7, this is same, plus, minus symbol, plus symbol, cancel. Only middle one. Middle one is not a semicircle, it is half of the semicircle. So half of half pi r square. But radius of this bigger semicircle is 14. So that will 14 square is 14 into 14. Do the simplification. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. See here. 7 2s are 2 to cancel. 2 11s are 2 2s are 2 7s are. Do the simplification. Write down that step and do the simplification. Two 2s are 2 7s are 7 7. 2 2s are 2 7s are 7 7 cancel. 22 into 14. Do it and get the answer. Fourteen 2s are 28 to 14 2s are 28 plus 2 30. Students, this is also over. So the previous problem and this problem both are same model. In the previous problem, I did not wrote 2. After getting the answer, I multiplied with 2. But here, beginning itself, I wrote 2. I doubled it. Same, both are same. But here, in the previous problem, all three were semicircles. But here, this is a semicircle whose area is half pi r square. This is a semicircle whose area is half pi r square. This is not a semicircle. Half of semicircle, not full semicircle. Half of the semicircle. So, half of half pi r square. That difference here. That's all. So, complete it. And if you don't follow, tomorrow again remind me. Again I will explain. So, no hurry. No tension, because